Why did we drag this tired and crusty looking B2600 4x4 up close to the street so all of the neighbors can see it? I don't know about where you folks are from, but around here, whatever's sitting around, that's what we decorate for Christmas. You know, we use old trucks, we use old tractors. This one was our fall display, and carrying on the tradition over here. Well, my wife had this great idea of replicating that Christmas scene that you see on several different places of a little red truck delivering a Christmas tree. So that's what we're going to do. I'll show you the picture of what she had in mind. So I just happen to have another little red truck laying around because, you know, everybody has to have 2 or 3 of these, right? This is obviously looking a little tired, so I've gathered my implements of destruction to try to pretty it up a little bit. And let's see what it looks like when we're done. Definitely a little bit better after the wash. The door has been washed, the bed hasn't. So hopefully it'll look representative or respectable enough from the street, right? Gotta go get some more water. Oh, while I got the cleaning stuff out, I'm going to clean this up. I bought this at a swap meet. I'm gonna do a quick clean, and that's going to be sent to Cletus McFarland. Alright, let's rinse what I've done so far off. Alright, I gotta go get some more water. Alright, as you can see, I've already got Rodney the reindeer in there. So I've got another batch of water charged up, and I'm going to run around and rinse this thing off. Okay, let's get to decorating. So in case you're wondering why this truck is no longer on the road and it's not going to get saved, is this frame is terrible, terrible, terrible. You can see the old sag between the cab and the bed, and it's lived its life in the Rust Belt here in New England. So this is what happens to these things. That's why they're so rare up here, is because they just get destroyed when the frame's gone. They're no longer roadworthy and they went to the crusher. So it's extremely difficult to find these things up here. I purchased this because I wanted the wide body fenders. I already took the hood off and put it on the extended cab over there, and the fenders in the bed are going to go on the LS swapped that I currently have under construction. But that'll be after the holiday season. Alright, let's see what we can do with that. striking out on the light strings from last year. I only got one that works fully. Alright, I got some figuring to do. Alright, I found some rust along the rocker panel. Imagine that, to send some tie wraps through. Alright, I think what we got left is the rear tire, the bottom of the bed, and the top of the windshield, and the back part of the top of the cab. Gotta go get more lights. Alright, done tuning up the saw here. Now it's time to go get a tree. Better make sure it still runs before I head out in the woods. Alright, looks like we're in business. Well, we got the truck lit up. Now let's see if we can get a tree and get that lit up. See if we can find a poor unsuspecting tree. I'll do a little lap around here and see what I can find. That one might do it. They're just so thin, which is why nobody uses them for Christmas trees. Ooh, there's a beautiful little spruce right here. And this thing has been shielded by undergrowth. I think I'm going to go for that one. As nice as of a little tree it is, it's going to be sacrificed for a good cause, and in the spring it would have been cut down anyway for the foundation of a garage. Alright, let's take it out and see what we got. Find the path of least resistance here. Let's see how well it fits in the back of a Mazda truck. That might be perfect. Maybe I should have got a bigger tree. Alright, so that's the finished product here before it gets too dark. It's kind of making it, I put some lights on the interior so you can see Ted at the wheel in there. And when you drive down the street from the other direction, you can barely see Rodney the reindeer because the tree has the same color lights. So we got, hopefully when the people drive by they'll slow down and take a look at it and enjoy it. So it was a lot of work, it took me all day, but it was fun. So this is the view as you drive up the street. A couple of trees in the way. It's coming down the street. I think the effect is there, huh? What do you think? Did we pull it off?